2 days later, the clay is hard and we can see some cracks, probably due to a contraction that might let the water through. And apparently it will no longer work well sealing the window frame. In the early morning or during the night, late night, it should start raining again. So I'm going to remove this dry clay and replace it with some fresh clay, so we can test this method for an emergency. Well, here we are. It's been raining since early in the morning. Raining quite a bit. And we're going to see that the floor is not wet. It's all dry, except for that little hole there where I've covered it with a bit of paper. So the flies don't get in. And we can see that the seal I made with clay, I remade after taking off the other one. It's hard, it's practically dry now, so I put it on last night, and it's working fine. No water has come in. As we can see, this works, even if it's only for emergency, and later we have to take it off and put something, a seal that is more permanent. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.